Passive income, earning money without direct involvement every step of the way, sounds like a dream for small business owners who are often short on time. But the truth is, with a little upfront effort, passive income can be a realistic and valuable revenue stream. Today, we're walking through practical, actionable strategies to help you build reliable passive income that complements your existing business. First, let's start with digital products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or software are great because they allow you to sell a single product an unlimited number of times without much ongoing effort. Imagine you're a business consultant. You could create an ebook or video course that outlines your top strategies and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Udemy. It takes effort to develop initially, but once it's out there, the sales can continue without you lifting a finger. Think about your expertise and consider creating a resource others would find valuable. Next up is affiliate marketing, which involves promoting products from other businesses and earning a commission on sales generated through your referrals. If you have a small business blog or a social media presence, you can weave in affiliate links to products or services that align with your audience's needs. For example, if you run a coffee shop, you could write a blog post or social media content about the best coffee makers or accessories with affiliate links to each item. Amazon's affiliate program is a popular option, but there are countless others based on your niche. With affiliate marketing, you can create content once and continue to earn as your audience discovers it over time. Now let's talk about rental income, specifically equipment or space rental if it aligns with your business. If you have specialized equipment or extra space, renting it out can be a steady income stream. Say you own a photography business. Renting out your studio or equipment on off days could generate extra revenue without requiring additional time. In the same way, some businesses choose to lease part of their facilities, like a kitchen space for catering or a meeting room for other professionals. By leveraging what you already own, you can earn more without much extra effort. Another viable source of passive income is dividend stocks or peer-to-peer lending. For small business owners with a bit of capital to invest, dividends from stocks can create a reliable stream of income. Investing in stable companies that pay regular dividends allows you to earn a share of their profits, providing an additional source of income that requires minimal maintenance. Peer-to-peer lending platforms also offer opportunities for passive income by lending small amounts to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest. Though there's always risk involved with investments, these strategies can add a level of financial security if chosen carefully. Licensing your content or intellectual property is another powerful way to generate passive income. Licensing involves giving other businesses permission to use your assets for a fee. Let's say you've designed a unique logo, graphic, or even a business method. Rather than selling it outright, you could license it to others and earn ongoing royalties. This works well for businesses in creative fields, like graphic design or software development. But it's applicable to any business with proprietary methods or unique assets. The more popular your content or creation becomes, the more you stand to earn from licensing. Another powerful passive income idea is subscription-based services or memberships. This works especially well for small businesses that offer consulting, coaching, or exclusive content. If you're a fitness instructor, for instance, creating a monthly subscription service that provides clients with workout plans, nutritional advice, and coaching tips could generate a steady income. The benefit here is that a membership model creates recurring revenue, making it easier to predict your monthly earnings. You'll need to deliver value consistently to keep members subscribed, but the work can often be done in batches or through pre-scheduled content. Moving on, you might also consider creating an online shop that operates independently or through print-on-demand services. Many business owners are expanding into merchandise, whether that's branded apparel, mugs, or other items with unique designs. Using platforms like Shopify or Etsy and partnering with a print-on-demand service allows you to design once and sell indefinitely. The production and shipping are handled by the service, which means minimal hands-on involvement from you. This is a fantastic way to monetize an existing brand and add a passive income stream with little ongoing effort. Another strategy is using high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, for passive income. Although these options are more traditional and generate relatively small returns, they're also very low risk. Setting aside some funds in a high-yield savings account or a CD can help your money grow steadily over time. You might not see huge profits, but the interest earned is completely passive and often requires zero maintenance. This is especially useful if you want a safe, steady growth for your funds alongside more active income streams. A great way to capitalize on your business's existing assets is through ad revenue. If you have a website or blog with consistent traffic, consider hosting ads through Google AdSense or other ad networks. The beauty of ad revenue is that it grows as your traffic increases, and it requires very little ongoing work. For those with video content, starting a YouTube channel also opens up ad revenue possibilities. You create the content once, and as it attracts views, you earn from the ads displayed. Lastly, investing in real estate for rental purposes can be an excellent passive income stream if you're ready to take a bigger step. Even a small property can generate significant revenue. Commercial or residential real estate offers the potential for substantial returns through monthly rental payments. It's more hands-on than other passive income strategies, but hiring a property manager can make it more passive, freeing you up to focus on your primary business. To wrap up, building passive income takes some upfront work, but the long-term benefits can be substantial. Start by assessing which of these strategies aligns best with your business and resources. Whether it's creating digital products, branching into affiliate marketing, or exploring ad revenue, each option can help you build a diversified revenue stream that works for you over time. Passive income is about setting up systems that allow your business to thrive without constant hands-on involvement. And with the right mix, you'll find your financial future looking more secure than ever.